Flamingos are highly gregarious birds. Flocks numbering in the hundreds may be seen in long, curving flight formations and in wading groups along the shore. There are 6 species of flamingo, all belonging to the Phoenicopterus genus. They are water-dwelling, tropical birds. The greater flamingo breeds in large colonies on the coasts of the Atlantic Ocean and Gulf of Mexico in tropical and subtropical and tropical America. Some are known for their red and pink feathers, while others have white or gray plumage. Pink, orange, or red feathers are caused by keratin in their food. Keratin is the same pigment that makes tomatoes red and carrots orange. A wild flamingo's diet includes shrimp, plankton, algae, and crustaceans. Flamingo chicks are born gray or white with fluffier plumage to keep them warm. It can take up to 3 years to achieve mature pink, orange, or red plumage. The greater flamingo is the largest flamingo species and can measure up to 5 feet tall when standing erect with its head raised. It only weighs about 8 pounds. The lesser flamingo is the smallest, reaching 3 feet tall and typically 3 to 6 pounds. The Andean flamingo is the most threatened of all flamingo species due to the loss of its habitat.
We said we'd be always